Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, the ways move is really corrective. And we mentioned whenever we have this kind of the corrective move relative to the sharp move, we can expect the price to drop. And we mentioned at least we can expect to get one more drop. And if the price drop with the breakout of the 46, we can expect even the price drop to 43, following by 39K. That's why for those traders, if they want to look for buy, we need to be really careful. And if anyone wants to look for buy, we have to wait for the deeper correction, then we can put our entry above the stop. And at that case, we have to see the breakout of the 51,600, right? Because if the price continue from here as a corrective, we just let it go. And even if the price continue from here without giving us a deeper correction, the only way is to look for the breakout as a short move flag before we take the trade, right? That's why we have to be really careful if anyone wants to look for buy. And how to look for sell? The only way is to look for price to drop as a sharp following by flag, then we take the trade. And with the breakout of the 46, we can expect the price drop to 43, following by 39K. All right. Anyway, we start with the daily chart. And based on daily chart, we mentioned in the bigger picture, we should know that if the price continue and drop, we can expect this one turn to bigger flat. That's why if we want to look for reversal, we have to look for the proper trade setup. And as we can see, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade for buy. By the way, if we get any reversal, we need to see the breakout. We're looking to see the breakout of the 67,500, and the targets as a long term we can look for is 74, following by 81K. But still, we didn't get any opportunity for buy. And even if we move to 4-hour chart, similar explanation with the 1-hour chart. If this one turns to deeper correction, any buy will take it. And with the breakout of, we need to see the breakout of the 51,600. Then from there, we can look for continuation. If not, if the price is going to drop, how deep it can go, this is the levels as what I explained based on 1-hour chart. Anyway, at this point, we don't have any trade setup. We have to wait. Even if we want to look for sell, we have to wait for price to drop as a sharp following by flag. Then from there, we will take the trade. All right. Because we mentioned, even if the price drop, even the next drop made the price doesn't break 46K before we get the reversal. The reason is we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup for buy or sell. We have to wait. We mentioned how we can look for trade, either buy or sell. And buying or selling without the trade setup is not a really good idea. And since the ways moving is really corrective, whenever we see this kind of the corrective, either up move or down move, the price can move quite sharp. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.